In this video, we are going to discuss 10 ways to use castor oil that will change your life. Castor oil is a versatile type of vegetable oil that has been around for centuries. The oil is extracted from castor beans and has a variety of medicinal, pharmaceutical, and general applications that most people are not aware of. We made this video to educate you on some of the hidden benefits and uses that can hopefully improve your life and overall health. Make sure to watch until the end because there's one that I believe will surprise you. So, if you are ready, let's get started. Number 1. Remedy for arthritis. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent massage oil for arthritic joints, sore muscles, and nerve inflammation. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties and is considered a safe remedy for arthritis pain. Here are some ways to use castor oil to relieve arthritis pain. Directions. Fold a piece of unbleached cotton flannel fabric into 3 to 4 layers. Soak it in castor oil and apply it to the affected joints. Wrap the cloth in saran wrap and place a heating pad or hot water bottle over it. Leave it for at least 45 minutes. Do this once a day to reduce joint pain and inflammation. The saran wrap prevents the heating pad or water bottle from becoming oily. Reuse the pads by storing them in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator until you need to use them again. Take it orally by mixing a tablespoon of castor oil into your favorite beverage. Apply warm castor oil to the affected joints. To ensure proper absorption, massage it into your skin before going to bed and leave it on overnight. To avoid scalding the skin, apply the castor oil to the affected area only when it is not too hot. To treat severe arthritis pain, mix a pinch of ginger powder into a glass of boiling water. After the water has cooled, add 2 tablespoons castor oil. Make sure to thoroughly mix the concoction before drinking. This remedy works best when consumed first thing in the morning or right before bedtime. If you dislike the taste of castor oil, try a supplement or pill. However, it will not be as effective as pure castor oil. Number 2. Reduce stretch marks. Stretch marks are most commonly caused by pregnancy and rapid weight gain, but they can also be caused by aging, hormonal imbalance, sudden weight loss, and swelling. Castor oil is regarded as one of the most effective treatments for a variety of skin conditions. Its high content of fatty acids makes it an excellent moisturizer and effective treatment for removing unsightly stretch marks. Directions. Using your fingertips, apply enough castor oil to the stretch marks to cover the entire affected area. To add moisture, combine 2 tablespoons of coconut or almond oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Avoid applying the treatment to any broken skin. Cover the area with a thin cotton cloth. Leave the cloth on the area for 15 to 20 minutes to ensure that the oil penetrates deeply. Covering the area with a heating pad or hot water bottle will accelerate the process. Repeat this process on a regular basis to significantly reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Number 3. Treatment for acne. Acne, a common skin condition, occurs when impurities accumulate in your pores, causing the skin to become irritated and inflamed. Many acne treatments on the market today contain benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, which can dry out the skin. Castor oil, like neem oil, is a natural resource that can remove dirt, dead skin cells, excess oils, and bacteria without drying out your skin. Directions. Place a bowl of boiling water on a stable surface and grab a towel. Holding the towel over your head, lean over the water bowl. This opens your pores, allowing the castor oil to penetrate your skin deeply. Hold your face over the bowl for a few minutes. Moisten a washcloth with warm water, then apply a dime-sized amount of castor oil to it. Gently rub the affected area with a washcloth. When applying castor oil to the area, make small circular motions. Keep the castor oil on your skin overnight. When you wake up, wipe away the castor oil with a damp towel. Use cold water to splash your face several times. Cold water shrinks pores, whereas warm water opens them. Pat your skin dry and use a facial cleanser to remove any remaining castor oil. For best results, repeat these steps on a daily basis for 10 to 14 days. You can use castor oil to prevent acne by repeating this process a few times per week. Number 4. Deep Facial Cleanser. Castor oil can be used as a deep facial cleanser as well as to treat acne. Unlike the harsh chemicals found in over-the-counter and prescription facial cleansers, which dry out your skin, using castor oil as a deep cleanser will get rid of pimples quickly, deep clean your skin of dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells, and excess oils, and leave your skin soft, supple, and flawless. Directions. Warm up the oil blend by rubbing it between your palms. Massage the oil into your face with slow, firm motions, paying special attention to any problem areas. Once your pores are fully saturated, soak a clean washcloth in hot water. Place a washcloth over your face. Leave it on until it feels cool to the touch. Gently wipe your face with the washcloth, then rinse with hot, running water. Repeat these steps several times to completely cleanse your face. Make sure not to scrub your face too hard in the final step of the process. Number 5. Removing fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is effective at reducing fine lines and wrinkles because it penetrates deeply into the skin, stimulating the production of elastin and collagen. These two skin components are responsible for elasticity and tautness. Castor oil's emollient properties allow the skin to absorb it quickly, keeping your face hydrated and plump, which also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To get the most out of your castor oil treatment, follow these steps. Directions. Cleanse your face with your regular cleanser and cold water. Use a towel to pat your skin dry. Using a cotton ball soaked in toner, remove any remaining cleaner residue. If you don't have toner, try rose water or witch hazel. Allow the toner to dry, then pour a small amount of castor oil into the palm of your hand and rub together to warm it up. Gently massage the oil into your face in small, circular motions. Repeat the process on a daily basis. For the best results, apply the oil to your face at night, before going to bed. Number 6. Promote hair growth. Castor oil, particularly Jamaican black castor oil, has grown in popularity as a treatment for thicker, healthier hair. When applied to your roots on a regular basis, it can promote hair growth, reduce product and styling damage, hydrate hair, make hair shinier and fuller, prevent dry scalp, and improve overall hair health. When applied to the ends of your hair, castor oil can reduce frizz and repair split ends. Follow the steps outlined below to strengthen and grow your hair. Directions. Apply castor oil to your scalp and roots with fingertips. Make sure to apply it evenly to your scalp. Try not to get the oil into the strands of hair. Because of its thickness, it may be difficult to remove. Cover your hair with a plastic shower cap and wrap your head in a towel. Allow the oil to sit on your hair for a minimum of 15 minutes. For best results, leave it in overnight. To remove the castor oil, thoroughly cleanse your hair with shampoo. For the best results, repeat the process once a week for 6 to 8 weeks. Number 7. Relieve constipation. Castor oil is a popular method for relieving constipation. The natural constipation remedy's various components work as a powerful laxative, stimulating both the small and large intestines and purging the colon walls, allowing impacted fecal matter to pass through the colon. The fatty acids in castor oil also prevent liquid from being absorbed by the intestinal tract, allowing the bowel to retain its moisture and pass through the colon more easily. Follow the instructions below to use castor oil to relieve constipation. Castor oil constipation relief recipe. Castor oil, 30 to 60 grams. Lukewarm milk or water. A glass. Ginger, optional. Directions. Add 30 to 60 grams of castor oil to a glass of lukewarm milk. If you dislike milk, substitute a glass of lukewarm water. Drink the entire glass. If the smell is too strong, add some ginger to the concoction. Within an hour, you will begin to feel the effects of the castor oil. Number 8. Boost immunity. Regular use of castor oil is thought to improve several immune system functions, including lymphatic drainage, thymus gland health, and blood flow. Lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell found in the immune system, attack the body's perceived threats as well as external invaders such as bacteria and toxins. Castor oil helps the body produce the proper levels of lymphocytes, which are stored and released into lymphatic tissue from the lymph nodes, thymus gland, and small intestine. Apply castor oil packs to your abdomen to help your body absorb the oil. Number 9. Treatment for ringworm. Ringworm is a fairly common skin condition caused by a fungus that develops into a ring-shaped, red rash. According to studies, nearly 20% of the population has experienced ringworm at some point in their lives. Castor oil is an excellent treatment for ringworm, despite the fact that it can be unpleasant. Castor oil contains undecylinic acid, which acts as an antifungal agent, killing the infection. Number 10. Reduce the appearance of scars. Castor oil is excellent for reducing and preventing scars. The oil's high fatty acid content stimulates the body's lymphatic system, which is necessary for scar prevention. While it cannot remove existing scars, it can make them less noticeable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.